Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this 16-gallon fuel caddy. So come on with me and let's jump into this review. So obviously here's how it comes in a box. Let's get it out of there and take a look at the components. That's what comes in the box. There's really just a few parts to it. It looks pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and get this thing assembled. There you go, the unit's completely installed. Let me walk you through what I had to do. You can see in the back of the unit you got a plate with 3 bolts. Those bolts just go through and the pump just feeds right in there, and those bolts screw right into the back of that. Very simple. Size 13 millimeter ratchet with an extension is all you need for that. This part right here is installed already. All you have to do is take this one right here, wrap it with some Teflon tape, which they provide you with, 5 wraps, and then tighten that down. You'll later put the tube on there. Then you've got the same thing here. You're just going to screw this one in, 5 wraps of Teflon. Same thing here, 5 wraps of Teflon. And then you're just going to connect your hoses. You've got the short hose right here, so you're going to connect that one with a hose clamp. This one here with a hose clamp. And then you've got the long one at the top with a hose clamp. And that's it. I guess you put the gas cap on here. There's your fill cap. You can see that this has a air relief or a pressure relief valve in it, so that gets screwed in, and then you can let air out of it right here. That's where you can relieve it. You notice the wire right here? That's a ground wire, so you can clip this on to something metal to ground it while you're cranking it. But other than that, here's your gas hose. Unwind that. Nice long fueling hose. Once you've got gas in it, you're just going to crank it, and it gives you right here instructions on which direction to crank it. So you'll crank it in the direction that it shows there. Once you've got fuel in there, it'll automatically prime itself. Looking at the unit, you can see that on the back side of it, it's got the pads here. So to put this in the back of a pickup truck or something, you can lay it down. It lays nice and flat. Has the good size wheels on it. So very easy to pick up, put in the back of a pickup truck or a trailer or SUV, take it to the gas station. Here's your fuel. Fuel it up. Tighten that back up. Lift it up. Twine the hose up. You're back to here, like so. It's extremely thick plastic, very well built. That's your VEVOR 16-gallon fuel caddy.